Hi everyone, let's get started. We are going to make the most massive object of the CG world. In the process, I think you will understand what we are talking about. In order not to waste time, we will not look at the 3D viewport, but think about everything inside my mind. First, I create a torus node and connected snow build up to it. Then I added color and assigned a slightly brown tint. I think many of you have already figured out what the final result will be. Already now, this model can be considered finished, but we don't see it in the viewport. Let's make it even better by duplicating our snow and changing its parameters. A little different angle and increase the number of particles. Let's also change the minimum and maximum size of the points. We also need to change the color to disgusting pink. This is very important. Now it's time to look at what we've got. Great model. Let's add minimal change to the final result. And now you have to cover your eyes a little bit, because you're going to see something amazing. Those who could do it just right should be proud of the result. This is so great. Now all the doors in the CG world have opened in front of you. Now you're the best CG artist.